Hey everybody, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to add signature into your Gmail account, because what happens when you send an email to anybody, on below that email address your signature will appear. For doing that, all you have to do, go to Google, in here search for Gmail or click Gmail directly on the right upper corner. And as you arrive to your Gmail account, all you have to do is go to this teeny tiny option on the right upper corner, click on settings, and in here again click on settings. When you arrive in settings, you see a lot of option on horizontal row and you see a lot of option on the vertical row. But what you have to do, ignore these and go scroll down until you arrive to this page. Alright, I have already created a signature, but I'll tell you what happens. Until you arrive up to a line where it says signature. Now we don't have any signature. For example, you're starting up. So for example, if I'm creating a new signature, click on create new. In here, write the signature name. It's not the signature name which appears, it's just a title. Don't confuse it with this real signature. I'm just creating. So in here, I'm actually going to write this signature. For example, I want in my signature an image, a small image if I want, for example. So first of all, I'll do insert an image. So for example, if I'm operating tag schooling, I'll add a little bit T. And you can see image appears larger, so I'll go for small, not medium, not large. So this looks perfect. And on the right side, I'll write down in here tags. I'll give it a little bit space. Tags schooling. And down here, I'll give it a big space and write Tech Hub. TECH. Alright. I can even make these title bold, even Italian if I want, but bold look good. And in here I can even choose the size of how much larger or bigger I want, but I'll consider it normal. Normal is fine. I'll make it normal again. Alright, this is here and it's normal. And in here I can even choose colors of this one, so we can choose text color. I'll go with the light blue in here, and this is light blue. Let me first select this, and we're gonna choose for light blue, whatever color you like. So this looks cool to me. And you can even add up a link to your name. For example, if you want to add a link, you can even add that, whatever options you want. And after you are done making your signature, it appears at the end of every text, but I'll tell you how it appears because a lot of people get it confused. So go below, and in here click on save changes. All right, click on it. When you click on save changes, automatically you're done. So for example, if I'm going to compose an email, in here I'm sending an email to Tag Schooling, just for example, and I say hey, and in here I explain, hey, what's up? All right, hey, what's up? I don't know what's happening. All right, it's not what's. All right, so now you can see there is no signature. You're getting confused, like what happened? I just created a signature and there is no signature. But you make sure that you go to this teeny tiny option down here, a pen-like option, and here there's an option called insert signature. Click on it, and in here you say there are a lot of options. There is no signature, there's a tag signature. As I told you, as I've created one signature, you can even create a lot of signatures, send individual signature to individual persons. So for example, if I'm adding tag signature in here, so I'll add up the tag signature. If I don't want to add signature, I'll say no signature. If I want to manage signature, I can manage signature and create new one. And I'm cool with that, and we're going to send it. So we have sent this one. So if you want to see how it looks like on the other side, we're going to send and see how it looks. So this is how it looks on the other side. Hey, what's up? And this is a little bit image. And on the tag schooling, you can even adjust your signature according to your needs. And this is it regarding how you can create a signature with your on Gmail account, and make it possible, like whenever you send an email to someone and your signature appears at the end of that text. If you think this video helps you, please make sure to leave us a comment and put a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Keep visiting Tags Schooling.